I'm grateful to have this opportunity to be with this doctor. He's amazing. I would recommend this guy to anybody, and I'm gonna do just that. I first noticed my hair loss at about 29, 30. Well, it affected me mostly because I'm an actor. You know, I've gone to a couple other doctors. I went to this other doctor out here. I was getting my hair cut in Hollywood, and the hairdresser told me about Dr. Bolton.
What we did here, and I'm just gonna kind of turn you just a little bit. Patients are always so concerned about these suture lines because they hear about every horror story. If it's done properly, this is what a suture line should look like. Congratulations, I'm real happy for you. If we can ever do anything for you, please let us know.
Absolutely, thank you, sir.
All right, Aldo, so what are you trying to accomplish today?
Turn back to the clock.
First side I created for you, I created a little bit of a higher recession. The hair in the back of the head here is genetically pre-programmed.
You're ready to go?
Yeah, ready.
All right, well, let's get this party started.
Absolutely.
So Aldo, you're looking good, you're drinking Coke. How you feeling right now?
Great.
So Aldo, on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, what would you rate your experience today?
I feel 10, honestly.
I will not recommend anybody else except Dr. Bolton. He's the only doctor who make it possible, who told me, yes, I can do something. Fantastic.
Excellent.
Beyond expectation.
Beyond expectation, excellent. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
I wish you the best.
Thank you to all of you. There's only one answer, Dr. Bolton.
I started to lose my hair at the age of 23. The insecurity was unbelievable. I never swam. I stood in the water and splashed myself. Always had a hat on. I just was in tears. The website was very professional and that intrigued me, and I researched it from there. He gets the most hair. He takes the biggest graft that I've seen out of all sites. Completely different look now. Very nice guy, and he's passionate about his work, and that's important. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
When did you first start noticing your hair loss?
Probably 5-6 years ago.
A little bit of confidence level goes down. He's got a very young, vibrant personality. A little nervous, but excited. I think it's more
comfort when I came into here and confidence that if I was going to spend this kind of money.
Well, I think a lot of it's self-confidence. It's just nice to see him just not even think.
Just go to one place if you're looking. I looked at 3 alone. I did my homework on the internet. I wouldn't just sign up the first place I went.
Well, I chose Dr. Bolton because I always heard he was the best. I watched his videos, I saw his website, I saw proof that it was amazing. I saw it in real life that it was amazing. My hairstylist looked amazing. Aspects about it, there was always good, positive thinking, and 4 months paid tens of thousands of more dollars for this. It was quick, in and out, 4 hours, went home, didn't have much pain. Oh, my results are just hands down amazing. I can't even tell. I would tell anybody the first day they came in here, pay the money and do it. Promise you, you will not lose a dime. But just listen to all the directions. This changes my life by a lot. I think I have a ton more confidence. I had confidence before, but I think he's amazing. I think what he does is art, and it's crazy. This one lady, one of my friend's sister's a hairstylist, and she's like, "Oh, let me look in your head." I was like, "Okay." She looks at it, and I'm like, "Try to find it. You won't even find it if you finally give me $5.
Yeah.
She couldn't find it. She couldn't find it. And she's like, "No way, this is ridiculous." And I was like, "Yeah."
That's
She was a hairstylist. She's never seen this before. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for giving my hair back after 4 months, and I can't wait to see a year. Thank you.